just going to get a coffee. We have afternoon tea in the hotel, but I really like my iced coffee. So I'm going to get a coffee. My favorite coffee shop is closed, so I'm going to another one. I really love this feeling here in Ho Chi Minh. After a few days you feel like a home. You have your favorite cafe shop, you have like your favorite restaurant, etc. So it's easy, really easy to remember all these streets around. So yeah, I really love this feeling, like a home. Yeah, and I forgot to mention we have really lazy day today. It's like 2:30 or something, and we have just chilling, not doing anything. But we booked a food tour for tonight, so I guess after my coffee we will go to explore a market which is nearby, and then we will go for food tour. Thanh Market. You can buy here lots of different clothes, bag, belts, everything.
Có cái kim for meat t-shirt for you. Bà ngoại thành phố đâu dành nó đực chết cái gì đó. Thành phố đâu dành
traffic. Can you drive in this traffic?
So we are on a food tour with some local students.
Hi! Welcome to Vietnam.
Marcela is somewhere behind. So we've heard some history so far. Now we are going for the first tasting, the first out of 7 tastings. It's gonna be the Vietnamese baguette first. Traffic is really crazy in Ho Chi Minh, worse than in Hanoi. Checking the mirrors.
Yeah, just in me.
How's it going?
Good.
And we have some pork sausage, ham, hot meat, and we have some salad to use with the banh mi. So cucumber, pickled radish, and pickled carrot. We also have some coriander and scallion. So if you don't like the coriander, please tell me, okay? Some people they tell me that the taste of coriander tastes like soap.
Yes.
And can you guess what is this? It's pork, but
Fat?
not fat. Oh,
Ear? Is it skin?
so they have the ear and the intestine.
Oh.
We just eat the intestine for the texture. It actually doesn't have any flavor. So the flavor from this is actually from the spice that we use. And the spice they use is very strong. And to make the intestine, it took them a long time. Because it took them around like maybe almost 1 hour just to clean the intestine. Because if it didn't wash it clean enough, it's going to taste terrible. Yeah, and you will find some weird texture inside. And we also have some chicken and meatball. But these two, they are not the original banh mi. That's the authentic one. Okay. So the lady first, Stella, Paula.
Thank you.
Put your back to the front.
Why?
A lot of pickpockets.
Alright. Oh, this is street market what I was dreaming about. Lots of different choices. Ice cream. Oh, check this. To our Saigon food store.
We will have a few refreshments here, few dessert, and also some snacks.
Okay.
Punch it really, really hard.
There we
So,
go.
okay, over here.
So we have
Okay, just punch it really, really hard. But aim at this, don't aim at their face, okay?
no punching.
Who will do? Alright, for you.
Careful.
Whoa. Okay.
So strong. And the best thing about this is very healthy for you. We don't use any artificial sugar inside. Sweetness from the sugar, from the banana, and from the coconut water. So everyone, bon appetit. Chúc ngon miệng.
Good.
Rồi chị Mai là cái con đường.
Thank you.
That's the pancake, yeah? Yeah. Banana.
Thank you. So the first one is banana.
banana pancake.
It's delicious.
Oh.
And fused with the rice cracker, we have this. Can you guess what is this?
Rice wine.
So, yeah, a lot of people call it rice wine, but trust me, this is not wine. Wine is around 10 to 15% alcohol. This one 40.
Oh!
It's liquor. It's like liquor. Oh, if you add some lemon inside, it will become limoncello. We'll teach you how to say cheer in Vietnamese.
Okay.
So to say cheer, we don't say cheer, we say yo.
Yo.
Yo. And before you say it, you have to count first. 1, 2, 3, yo.
Okay.
And in Vietnamese it is một, hai, ba, yo.
Yo.
You have to say it louder and louder. At the end you yell. Okay? We do it together. Okay. Một, hai, ba, yo.
So the bottom is avocado smoothie, top is coconut ice cream, top it with some nuts. Let's try it.
We also have the sweet and sour sauce. Just put a little bit of that on the quail and enjoy. Just a little bit. If you need more, we can ask for more. So inside this quail pancake, you will find oyster, shrimp, and also some pork. And of course, we top it with some chili sauce, mayonnaise, and fried onions. Okay, so here we have beef with petal leaf. Petal leaf is a very special leaf. So if you eat the leaf raw, it's actually make you feel high. It's like weed. A lot of Vietnamese elder, they still eat, they still like chew the leaf raw to make them feel high, but also to make their teeth black or red. Yeah, they mix the leaf with some paste like fruit and the powder. It depends on the color of the paste that create the color. Yes. So give it a try, everyone. If you have any questions, just say it. Don't worry. I'm a tour guide, but I'm also very flexible.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, and we have 3 different sauce. Just try it without a sauce first. We have 3 different sauce. We have the gravy here, green chili sauce, and normal chili sauce. No, just eat the whole thing. Don't bite it off. And we also have some
It's good.
morning glory and spicy mint. The spicy mint is actually good for the ladies' health, but for the men, you have to be careful with this mint. If you eat too much of them, you will lose ability to have children. But you have to eat like 5 kilo in one night. You won't eat that much in one night. This place actually was built in 1968 during the Vietnam War. So before 1968, this place, coi chừng té gãy răng á. I just warned her that she may break her teeth. So during the Vietnam War, before 1968, this area was actually a Vietnamese slum, just a slum. But then in 1968, there was a battle between the U.S. soldier and the Vietnam soldier. They accidentally damaged the whole area in here. And after the battle, the U.S. soldier, they took control of this area again, and they built 11 blocks of apartments you see right now.
For them, yeah?
Most of the apartment is for them. And they use it as a military camp. So that's why one apartment here is very, very small. Just around 15 square meters. And it's like a studio room. 1 living room, 1 restroom. That's all you have.
Okay.
That is enough for a soldier. They just need a place to take a quick nap, go to the restroom, and go straight back onto the battlefield. That's all they need.
Instead of dessert, we choose a beer, so it's our last days of Vietnam. We arrived back to the hotel. We just went to buy some beers. So food tour was amazing. I think absolutely highlight of this whole trip. Absolutely amazing. We have 2 drivers, both of them students, so safe, so polite. I can't recommend them enough. Absolutely amazing. I love them. So if you are here in Ho Chi Minh, I would absolutely recommend to take this tour. You will learn a lot. You don't need to go to a museum or something. Actually, neither me or Ra like a museum. So we prefer to learn about the culture different way, like for example trying food or meet with local, and this was the best for us. So yeah, if you want to have same experience like us, I will leave a link below in description, and also the name of our drivers, so if you want you can ask for them. Yeah, they were really nice and safe. As I mentioned, it was my first first experience with motorbike, and I wasn't scared at all. I actually felt really safe, so it might be better than car.